How to edit and change default currency on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit and change default currency on Bigcommerce easy and quick. First open your browser, and now once you're here click settings, click settings, and then here you will find Bigcommerce settings. All you need to do just to go to setup here, and here we'll find currencies. Click on it, and now just wait, and here you can manage default currency. Just click edit, and that's it. Just manage here anything you want, and then you can manage currency display settings, and that's it. And then just click save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.